If I cook high vitamin C veggies, is it pointless?
Absolutely not. Yes, vitamin C is a heat volatile nutrient, meaning that it can break down during cooking, but it doesn't completely go away. Studies show that boiling vegetables results in a 40 to 50% loss of vitamin C, which means retaining 50 to 60% of the vitamin C. And there are some really high vitamin C veggies out there. Bell peppers average 133% of the daily value of vitamin C per 1 cup serving measured raw. Kohlrabi averages 93% of the daily value per serving. Broccoli has 90% of the daily value per serving. Mustard greens have 87% of the daily value of vitamin C per serving. And Brussels sprouts have 83% of the daily value per 1 cup serving. If you boiled those and lost half of the vitamin C, you would still be getting an impressive amount of vitamin C. And if you want to retain even more of the vitamin C in those foods, consider steaming instead of boiling. Steaming only results in an 8 to 15% loss of vitamin C. Why the difference? With boiling, you're losing vitamin C both to the degradation by heat and to it just leaching out into the water that you're boiling in. So any lower water cooking method is going to retain more vitamin C. Think steaming, stir frying, or microwaving.